In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MACD on TradingView. If you're just getting started with technical analysis, the MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a popular momentum indicator that helps you see when a trend may be strengthening, weakening, or potentially reversing. We'll keep this simple and focus only on getting it onto your chart so you can start exploring it with confidence. Begin by opening TradingView in your browser or app and heading to the chart of the symbol you want to analyze. Any market or time frame will work here, so use whatever you're most comfortable with. Once your chart is open and visible, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It typically sits near the toolbar above the chart area. Click that button to open the Indicators window. Inside the search box that appears, type MACD. You'll see a list of matching results as you type. From that list, select the item labeled Moving Average Convergence Divergence. As soon as you click it, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. You'll notice that the MACD appears in its own separate pane just below your main price chart. That's by design, since it's an oscillator and not a price overlay. By default, you'll see two lines and a histogram. The main MACD line reacts to changes in momentum. The signal line smooths those movements, and the histogram visually shows the difference between the two lines expanding and contracting as momentum shifts. Most setups load with common default values that many traders recognize, so you don't need to adjust anything to start observing how it behaves with your chosen symbol. Take a moment to glance at how the histogram grows when momentum increases and shrinks when it fades. Crossovers between the MACD line and the signal line often catch traders' attention, as do moves above or below the zero line, which can hint at bullish or bearish momentum. None of this requires any extra setup right now. Simply watching how the indicator responds as you move through different parts of the chart will help you get familiar with its rhythm. To recap, you opened your chart in TradingView, clicked the Indicators button at the top, searched for MACD, selected Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and saw it appear in a dedicated pane below your price chart. That's all you need to get MACD up and running so you can begin exploring what it reveals about the market's momentum.